If you're getting a Smartsheet API error and you're not sure what's causing it, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to walk you step by step through exactly how to fix Smartsheet API errors quickly and efficiently. Whether you're working with integrations, automation tools, or custom scripts, these troubleshooting steps will help you identify the problem and get everything running smoothly again. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical software tutorials just like this. Let's jump right in. The first thing you want to do is check your permissions. A large number of Smartsheet API errors happen simply because the API token or user account does not have the correct access level to the sheet. Open Smartsheet and navigate to the sheet you're trying to access. Click on Share and confirm that the account connected to your API token has at least editor permissions. If your integration is trying to update rows or modify data, viewer access will not be enough. If needed, update the permissions and then test your API call again. Next, verify your sheet ID and column IDs. This is another very common cause of API errors. Inside Smartsheet, open the sheet and check the sheet properties to confirm you are using the correct sheet ID in your API request. Then double-check your column IDs. Remember, column IDs are not the same as column names. Even if the column name looks correct, if the ID in your API request is wrong, the request will fail. The safest way to confirm this is by retrieving the sheet via the API and reviewing the column ID values directly from the response. Now let's talk about matching the column type. Smartsheet columns have specific data types, such as text, number, date, checkbox, or dropdown. If your API request tries to send a text value into a date column or an invalid option into a dropdown column, you'll get an error. Go back to your sheet, click on the column settings, and confirm the exact column type. Then make sure your API payload matches that format exactly. For example, dates should follow the proper ISO format, and dropdown values must exactly match one of the predefined options. The fourth step is to make sure you're not trying to modify read-only fields. Some columns in Smartsheet are system-generated, like auto number columns, created date, modified date, or certain formula fields. These cannot be updated via the API. If your request includes one of these fields, it will fail. Review your request body carefully and remove any fields that are read-only or formula-driven. Once removed, retry the request. Next, try refreshing and waiting before retrying. Sometimes API errors are temporary and caused by rate limits or short-lived session issues. If you're sending many requests in a short period of time, Smartsheet may temporarily block additional calls. In this case, wait a few seconds and try again. If you're using automation software, consider adding a delay between requests to avoid hitting rate limits in the future. Finally, check the Smartsheet status page. Occasionally, the issue isn't on your side at all. Open your browser and search for Smartsheet status page. This page shows whether there are any active outages or service disruptions. If there's a reported issue, you may just need to wait until Smartsheet resolves it. This can save you a lot of unnecessary troubleshooting time. So to quickly recap, check permissions, verify your sheet and column IDs, make sure the column types match your data, avoid read-only fields, retry after refreshing or waiting, and always check the Smartsheet status page. Following these 6 steps will solve the vast majority of Smartsheet API errors. If this tutorial helped you fix your Smartsheet API error, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe for more step-by-step software solutions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.